Hi guys! Ayan, I'm back at ayan, update tayo kasi parang usong-uso ngayon ang secret marriages. 'Di ba alam naman natin na last 2020, 'di ba sinikreto din ni Sarah at ni Mateo ang kanilang pagpapakasal. And now before the 2022 ended, andito na naman. Kasal na daw si Catriona at si Sam Milby. Nakita kasi ng mga netizen doon sa Miss You Organization post na ang apelyido ni Miss Catriona ay hindi lang siya Great, kung hindi meron ng karugtong na Milby. So, yun nga guys, gulat na gulat ang mga netizens. Hindi nila akalain na ganun ka-low-key si Miss Catriona at Sam. So, ito nga ang post ng Miss You Organization. 85 countries and territories to compete in the 71st Miss Universe. The 2023 edition will be the debut of Bhutan. This is the fourth time in the pageant's history that the event is held after the relative calendar has ended. The 28-year-old Filipino-Scottish beauty queen, Catriona Magnayon Green Melby, is set to host the coronation night on January 14, 2023 at the New Orleans Memorial Convention Center, State of Louisiana, USA. So ayun guys, kasal na talaga si Miss Catriona at Sam Mel.